Hi there. Today I'm going to show you why Go Cash Outs is not really worth your time or your effort. There are some app developers out there that claim that their apps is the go-to app if you want to make some money online. But there's a catch. It might be free to download onto your smartphone or onto your Android. But the catch is once it comes to doing the actual task, some of them require of you to pay money, like a subscription or something like that. So there's a catch that in order to make money, you have to pay money. Is Go Cash Outs one of those apps where they catch you out? Today I'm going to show you exactly what Go Cash Outs app is all about, and I'm going to show you why I feel it's not worth your effort. Hello, this is Rupesh and welcome to my channel Passive Income for All. This channel is all about helping you to find the best ways to making money online. Yeah. When I say the best ways, I mean the ways where it's going to be worth your time and your effort. I mean, you don't want to sign up to any opportunities where you spend so much of your time and your effort and you get paid a few cents. So if you want to learn how to make real money online and how to start your very own passive income business, do click on the link below this video and it will take you to my #1 recommendation to starting your very own passive income business. And please subscribe to my channel so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. So now we're going to take a look at the Go Cash Outs website. Okay, so here we are at the GoCashOuts.com website. Go Cash Outs, get rewarded in a flash, start earning by completing tasks and invite friends every day. Sign up and claim $25. So you get a free sign up bonus of $25. Here are some testimonials. And then how fast can I cash out? You can complete our partner sponsored deals within a day. Typically takes our members 1 to 2 days to cash out their first payment. More actively you participate, the faster you get paid, and then you can click on this link to get started. Multiply your earnings by inviting friends. We've got tasks you will love, and then they say discover some of our amazing partner tasks such as games, mobile apps, products, lottos, jackpots, and so forth. And we have paid out our members 46,000. Claim your bonus, and then the next step is to create your account. So from the official website, it's easy to gauge what Go Cash Outs is all about. You get paid for installing an app to your phone, answering of surveys, and even inviting friends. So in other words, they call it like an affiliate program where if you invite folks to the platform, then you get paid a certain percentage. But in a nutshell, Go Cash Outs is a get paid to initiative. So you get paid for doing the task and the work that's allocating to you. To get started with Go Cash Outs, it's relatively simple. All you need is obviously a phone. You download the app, you need a good internet connection, and then you're good to go. And how exactly can you make money with the app? And I'm going to show you. Okay, so just quickly here, we are at my website Passive Income for All, which goes by the same name as my YouTube channel, Passive Income for All. So please feel free to check it out. So I have already written the article on this website, and I want to just take you to the section on how you can make money with Go Cash Outs. There are two main ways in which you can earn using the GoCashOuts.com app. The first is simply by completing various tasks, as I explained to you, and you can earn anywhere between $25 and $75 per task. And in the second way, which I also talked about, is by the affiliate program. They give you a unique referral link. You can invite family and friends to join the Go Cash. So now I wanted to ask you, I want to talk about, are people actually happy with using the GoCashOuts.com? Alright, so now there is a third-party review site called Trustpilot.com, and Go Cash Outs scored a pretty low rating on this third-party site. They scored a 1.8 out of 5 stars, and as you can see, 1.8 out of 5 stars. And here I just highlighted that 92% of these folks were not happy at all with using the GoCash application. And some of the main complaints were that it was poor support, failure to honor payments to members. They ask you to recruit, but at the end of the day, they don't pay out any of the referral commissions, and automatic closure of your accounts. And remember earlier on I showed you some of the testimonials on the websites. Now these particular testimonials were not clear in detail, and as you can see, they purposely blurred out the name. And as I wrote here, if you take a closer look, it's just random images of dollar amounts, and this is what I actually mean when I say that. So it's just random images. And so I've got something interesting that I want to tell you at this point. Okay, so now I've come to a very interesting part of this review, is where I'm going to prove to you that whether these testimonials, whether they are fake or blurred out or whatever, I'm going to prove to you that these testimonials are in fact fake and they actually hold no merit. So check this section out. Alright, so here we are back at my website. First, let me show you when the actual domain name of GoCashouts.com was created. And if you look at the WHOIS information, and this you can look it up yourself, you'll see that the domain was created on the 18th of August 2020. So it was last year in August. So I wrote there, from the WHOIS information, it is clear that the site came into operation on the 18th of August. Yet what is so interesting is that the testimonial proofs are dated back to June 2020. And this is one of the testimonials which they got on the official website, 18 June 2020. And I mean, this is obvious to us. How is it possible for one to get paid from a site if it had still not come into existence? And that doesn't make sense at all. Would you agree with me? And while we're talking about it, let me show you 5 of the red flags that I picked up with this site. The first red flag is that there's no real owner. And when you sign up, which is what I done, you get email communication from someone by the name of Joyce, who is supposed to be your friendly account manager, but there's no owner to GoCashouts. The second red flag is on the site is claimed to pay $46,000 to its members, but there are no payment proofs, real payment proofs to justify this claim. They also use unauthorized affiliation with reputable companies. So if you look at the site, they claim that these are the partners that they're working with, and I don't really think that any of these companies will endorse a site like this. And the bottom line is they are baiting you. They want to capitalize on the fact that since you trust this brand, you would be more than likely to join them. The fourth red flag is that GoCashouts.com, NoCashouts.com, and ShareOutCashouts are all the same. So if you see any of the other 2 websites, just be aware, and at the back of your mind, they're going to have the same $25 free bonus sign up as a paid for you to join, but don't fall for it. And then they got a very high payment threshold. They want you to reach a limit of $250 before you can finally get paid. And I have reviewed a lot of these get paid to websites, and I can tell you this is extremely high. Various other get paid to website legit ones, and I'll give you a few names soon, they ask for $10, $20 and then they'll pay you out. I mean, here you have to go to $25, $250 just so that you can get a payout. Okay, so now you can see why I say that GoCashouts is not really worth your while. There's no real owner, the testimonials are fake, they got a very high payment limit, so you have to work extremely hard, and there's no guarantee that you're also going to be paid because there are tons of customer complaints. You know, earlier on I told you about these get paid to websites, that there are legit ones, but there are also tons of those that came onto the market. They existed for a short while and then they just vanished into thin air. And some of these are like Giant Earner, Wallet Sync, Zaya Rewards, and GetPaidHome.com. All of those that I just mentioned to you right now are ones that came for a very short while and they lured people into the trap, they got people to work for them, and then after that they just vanished without a trace. But there are legit get paid to websites, and one of them is called TreasureTrooper.com. You can check it out. I even wrote a review on my website. And if you notice something about the legit ones is that They do pay out the members as real proof of testimonials, but they pay very little. And I always believe that with these get paid to initiative sites, um, it's not money where it will be significant earnings for you to quit your job or to make significant income. And that brings me to the final topic that I want to talk to you about is that if you're really looking to earn some real money online, because there are folks, I'm sure you have seen, there are folks who are making a killing online. And one of the ways of doing it is by checking out my number one recommendation. It's a training platform that I joined on 5 years ago. And it's been around for 15 years. They have tons of customer testimonials, success stories, and go ahead and take a look at yourself and see for yourself. Maybe it's something that can help you. And I would recommend if you are looking at starting your own passive income online business, it's a perfect start for someone who is new to the world of online business. Having said that, thanks so very much for joining me today on this review. I hope that it has given you a clearer picture of not only GoCashhouse.com, but what Get Paid To websites are all about and how they operate, so you know in the future what to look out for. Thanks so much for joining me once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to check out my number one recommendation. I look forward to checking out in my next video. Wish you everything of the best. Goodbye.